guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I have a summer luxury unboxing, and I'm probably going to paraphrase this as a pink edition, and that is because when I got home I realized that everything pretty much falls under that whole pink family category. So I got a couple of things from Longchamp. I also got a pair of shoes from Valentino, and of course I had to stop at Louis Vuitton and get this handbag, which was actually on my wish list from the beginning of the year for the summer, so I'm kind of on schedule with that, but I cannot wait to show you everything. So the first three things I got at Nordstrom's, and then I will go ahead and finish off with Louis. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, first one is probably something that you won't be surprised because it's a style that I already have, but I fell in love with the color. And I am a huge fan of Longchamp. I keep talking about them in pretty much all my videos because I think that for the brand, for the quality, for the price, for the functionality is absolutely worth it. And I personally feel it is a must. If you love luxury handbags, this probably has to go on your list and be part of your collection, because although they're not that expensive, they're just amazing bags. So huge fan. All right, so the first piece that I will show you is something that I already have, and not this color. And this is a gorgeous, oh yeah, light pink color. And this is the small shoulder tote bag. And I just love it. I really do. For the reasons that I just mentioned, I just find that they are totally worth it. This is something that I already have in the color blue, which I actually used a lot last summer. So for this summer, I really wanted something in pink. So this is a brand new color that came out for the fall, but I think it's a perfect color that you can still rock in the summer. So absolutely love it. They're super comfortable, and you don't have to worry about any of your SOGs getting ruined, whether you're out, you know, in the sun, at the beach, or if it's raining out. You don't have to worry about it because their fabric is amazing. The interior is very easy for you to clean, and I love it. I am a huge fan. And this particular piece retails for $125. So love Longchamp, and I will make sure to give you all the information on the description box. All right, so the second piece that I got from Longchamp is actually a piece that just came out for the fall, and I guess some of us will probably consider this an SOG, but I also fell in love with the color. And here I just have the tissue paper, and inside I have my brand new cosmetic case from Longchamp, and this is in the color Dahlia. And I absolutely love this little piece because I said to myself, I can probably use this in so many different ways. Not only cosmetics, but I can definitely use this for office supplies. If I'm traveling and I need to take my laptop and paperwork, I can definitely use this for markers, pens, you name it. And you can probably use this as well for a little handbag. Let's say you go out at night, you want to just carry something very simple. You can definitely use this for your keys, some makeup, credit card, money, endless. So many possibilities that you can use this little piece for. So the retail price for this is $55, and this currently comes in this color Dahlia. It also comes in the color black. It comes in the navy, and I believe the hunter green. So love this little piece, and I just want to quickly show you what the interior looks like, because what I love about it is that it's like a plastic interior, and it's super easy for you to clean. So you don't have to worry about getting it dirty, because as mentioned, it's super easy to just use this, wear it, do whatever you need to do. You will absolutely love it. So I cannot wait to start using this, and I will probably do a video in the future of all of my Longchamp bags, because I think that it will be a pretty neat video to kind of put together and show you guys how I personally use it in so many different ways. So let me know what you guys think of this little piece, but I absolutely love it. All right, and then the third thing that I got at Nordstrom's is a pair of shoes from Valentino that I've been wanting for quite some time, and I just realized that the price went up because they are very, very popular style. But I do have to quickly mention is that they're not high heels because I have a lot of Valentino shoes. All right, so here is the box, and I actually ordered this online. I'll just take out the little dust bag. And inside you will find my brand new pair of, oh yes, the famous slide sandals. And I just had to get them because of course I fell in love with this color. And this is in the color, let me just make sure they call it, the color is a pink, and these retail for $345. And when I first looked at these, they were $325, so it definitely went up in price. But again, this is a brand and a pair of shoes that is extremely popular, very high demand, and that's why Valentino can get away with it and go ahead and increase the price, because we're still gonna purchase it anyway. But I absolutely love these. I have a similar style from Dolce & Gabbana, but I really wanted the pair from Valentino, and I just fell in love with this baby pink because it kind of falls into all of the pink things that I'm getting for the month of August, and I just absolutely loved it. So let me know what you guys think of the slide sandals. If you have them, let me know if they're pretty easy to care for, because that's always something on my mind, especially now in the summer, because you can use this, you know, you can use these sandals at the pool, at the beach, if you want to do that. But I'm always careful with how to clean these shoes. So love these, and I am a size 39. All right, and now, yes, cannot wait to show you my Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I just couldn't wait to get this bag because it is one of those bags that for me, they're classic and I need all three of them. Did I give it away? Yeah, probably. All right. And here I have the magnetic box, which I absolutely love from Louis. And inside, oh yeah, all right. And inside, I now have my brand new, oh yes. Ready? Haha, yay. My new Speedy 30 in the Demi AZUR print. And I just love the Speedy 30s because I think that they are one of those pieces that if you love everything about classics, you're probably going to agree with me and say the Speedy is right up there, because this bag was first introduced in 1965, I believe, by Audrey Hepburn, and it was a hit, and it still is today, as this price has now increased because the Speedy runs for $1,020 US. And I remember many moons ago when this bag was about $550. So it is unbelievable how popular this bag is, how much the price has increased. But for me, this just, screams classic, and I want all three prints because, this bag has changed over the years. They, yes, come out with the over the shoulder, the bandoliers, but for me, I think that when it's a classic piece, it's a classic piece, and it should stay that way. But that is my personal opinion, of course. So love the Speedy, and I do have to be honest and say that I actually was looking into purchasing this bag pre-loved. I went on a couple of websites for a few months. I did tons of research, looked at so many different pictures, and I then just kind of gave up because I realized that this particular bag in this print is very difficult to find in excellent condition. And when you do find it, it's more than what it costs at the store. So for me, I just figured that, you know what, I'm just gonna save up for it and just purchase it brand new. So that's exactly what I did, and I cannot wait to start using this for the month of August. I cannot wait to get that gorgeous golden color on the Pochette, and that patina, I guess is what we call it, right? It's just beautiful, and it just completes this beautiful bag. So I cannot wait to start rocking it. I will probably get a little crazy and get one of those little pink poofs and maybe a little charm, but I just love it. And you know, I have the Neverfull and the Demi Azur, and that has been a lot of fun to use. So the Speedy is probably also going to be one of my favorites of the Demi Azur print. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys do have this bag in this print, and if you did purchase it pre-loved, if you don't mind sharing where you got it, please let me know in the comments below. I'm just kind of curious what avenues I probably could have taken, or maybe I should have gone, you know, through another website that I probably could have found it pre-loved, because I did, you know, the fashion file. I did, what's the other one? eBay, of course, and I did a couple of other ones, Luxe Designers and something else. And I just didn't have success with it, but just curious. Let me know what you guys think about that. If, you know, if you would consider this pre-loved, if it had a mark or two. I don't know, I'm just kind of wondering what everybody else would probably do. But because I'm so particular and kind of picky with the stuff, because it's such a classic piece, I gave up and I went ahead and just purchased it brand new. All right, guys, so that is everything that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxings. Of course, please feel free to comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.